In today's fast-paced world, finding time to prepare healthy, cost-effective meals can be challenging. Between work, family, and other commitments, it's easy to fall into the habit of ordering takeaway or grabbing ready-made meals. Welcome, everyone, to our journey towards a vibrant and wholesome life. What is meal prepping? Meal prepping involves planning, preparing, and packaging your meals in advance. This could mean cooking large batches of food on the weekend, storing them in the fridge or freezer, or simply chopping vegetables and marinating proteins ahead of time. The idea is to streamline your meal preparation process, making it quicker and easier to enjoy healthy meals throughout the week. Saving time. Less time in the kitchen. One of the biggest advantages of meal prepping is the significant reduction in time spent cooking during the week. Instead of starting from scratch every day, you can simply reheat and eat. This can be especially helpful on busy weekdays when you're short on time. Efficient grocery shopping. Meal prepping allows you to plan your grocery list more effectively. By knowing exactly what you'll need for the week, you can make fewer trips to the supermarket, saving time and avoiding impulse purchases. Streamlined cooking process. When you prepare multiple meals at once, you can take advantage of efficiencies in the cooking process. For example, you can bake several chicken breasts at once or cook a large pot of rice that can be used in multiple dishes. Saving money. Buying in bulk. Meal prepping encourages buying ingredients in bulk, which is often cheaper than purchasing smaller quantities. Items like grains, beans, and meats can be bought in larger packages, reducing the overall cost per serving. Avoiding takeaway and ready-made meals. Having pre-prepared meals ready to go reduces the need for expensive takeaway or ready-made meals, which can lead to substantial savings over time. Reducing food waste. When you plan your meals and buy only what you need, you're less likely to waste food. Meal prepping helps you use up all your ingredients efficiently, reducing the amount of food that goes to waste. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Health benefits. Portion control. Meal prepping allows you to control your portion sizes, which can be beneficial if you're trying to manage your weight. By pre-portioning your meals, you can avoid overeating and ensure you're getting the right amount of nutrients. Balanced diet. Meal prepping allows you to plan a variety of nutritious meals that cover all your dietary needs. This helps ensure you're eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains. Less temptation. Having healthy meals ready to eat can reduce the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks or fast food. This can help you stick to your dietary goals and maintain a healthier lifestyle. Getting started with meal prepping. Plan your meals. Start by planning your meals for the week. Consider what ingredients you already have and what you'll need to buy. Make a list of recipes you enjoy that can be easily prepared in advance. Invest in quality containers. Invest in a set of quality, reusable containers that will keep your meals fresh. Glass containers are a good option, as they're durable and can be used in the fridge, microwave, or oven. Set aside time. Dedicate a specific time each week to meal prep. This could be a few hours on a Sunday afternoon or an evening during the week. Make it a routine, and it will soon become a natural part of your schedule. Start simple. If you're new to meal prepping, start with simple recipes that you know you'll enjoy. As you get more comfortable, you can experiment with new dishes and techniques. Common meal prepping mistakes to avoid. Overcomplicating recipes. When you're first starting out, stick to simple recipes. Trying to prepare elaborate dishes can be time-consuming and may lead to frustration. Not storing food properly. Improper storage can lead to food spoiling before you have a chance to eat it. Make sure your containers are airtight and that you refrigerate or freeze meals promptly. Ignoring food safety. When meal prepping, be mindful of food safety. Cook meats thoroughly, avoid cross-contamination, and refrigerate perishable items promptly. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.